In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import your Excel spreadsheet into Mailchimp using a CSV file. This process is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their email marketing efforts with an organized list of contacts. Ensuring your contact information is correctly uploaded to Mailchimp will allow you to reach the right audience each time you send out an email campaign. So let's dive into the process. We begin by saving your existing Excel spreadsheet as a CSV file. You might be wondering why a CSV file. Well, CSV stands for comma separated values, and it's a widely used format that many applications can interpret, making it ideal for this kind of data transfer. To save your Excel sheet as a CSV, open your file in Excel, click on File in the top menu, and then select Save As. Choose where you want to save the new version, and then, from the Save As type drop-down menu, select CSV, delimited. It's simple and ensures your data is in the right format for Mailchimp. The next step is to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Audience tab on the main menu. The Audience section is where you'll manage the people you're reaching out to with your emails. By clicking on Audience, you access a variety of options for managing your contacts. Next, you'll want to select Manage Audience. This will give you a drop-down menu where you'll find Import Contacts. This option is vital for bringing your newly created CSV file into your Mailchimp environment. Click on Import Contacts to move forward. Now it's time to upload your CSV file. You'll see an option that says Upload a CSV file. Click this, and a desktop window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your files. Navigate to where you saved your CSV file, select it, and confirm the selection. Your file will then begin uploading to Mailchimp. After the upload is complete, it's crucial to map your Excel columns to corresponding Mailchimp fields. Mapping allows Mailchimp to understand where each piece of data should go. You might have a column for first names, another for emails, and perhaps one for phone numbers. Mailchimp needs you to confirm each column matches the correct field to ensure the data is correctly organized once imported. Finally, review all the information to make sure it looks right before completing the process. The review step is crucial because it's the last line of defense against any errors in your contact import. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and complete the import process. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Excel spreadsheet into Mailchimp.